Welcome, all my iPhone and non-iPhone users, to this channel. In this channel, I'm going to show you how to set up your iPhone for the first time. Maybe, just maybe, you have been a flip phone user since the 1980s and you're wondering what is all this hype about the iPhone. You bought your first iPhone, now you open the box and you slid that cover up and now you have your brand new iPhone on your hands and you're wondering, how in the world do I set up this thing? I'm going to show it to you right now. So what we're going to do is you're going to be on the hello screen and you're going to slide up right there. You're going to choose your favorite language, United States in this case. You're going to set up manually because you don't have an iPhone. You're going to choose the Wi-Fi. You're going to connect to that Wi-Fi with the password. This has to be your home Wi-Fi, a hotel Wi-Fi, maybe the Apple Store Wi-Fi if you are right there. Once it goes through, it might take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. In this case, your iPhone is trying to connect to Apple servers to identify that it's a legit iPhone with a legit serial number. Then the next screen will be data and privacy. You just continue. If you want to set up a Face ID, you can do it right there. Then you're going to set up a passcode. In this case, if you want to use a typical 4-digit passcode, you have to choose it from the menu. Try it one more time. For the sake of it, I'm just creating a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passcode. At this point, you're going to click Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Then it's going to ask you for an Apple ID. If you have an Apple ID, you can go ahead and input that. Remember, you need to previously use an Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, you just need to tap where it says, I don't have an Apple ID, and create one. In my case, I already have an Apple ID. I have a video in the description below where I can show you how I did it. I'm just typing this Apple ID that I created. I'm logging in with the Apple ID. And immediately it's going to send me a code where I'm going to need to input it right here to my phone. Then it's just a little bit of wait, accept or agree to the terms and conditions. Have to agree to those iCloud terms and conditions as well. It just takes a couple of minutes and your Apple ID has been set up. The next screen is going to ask you if you want to keep your iPhone up to date. Just got to click yes, I want to continue. Then it's going to ask you to enable location services. It's good to have them enabled. It's going to ask you for Apple Pay. You can set up that later in Wallet. You can tap Don't Use iCloud Keychain right now and ask Siri, set it up later in settings. Set up later in settings. Don't use or don't share this information with developers. Choose always the dark mode. Continue. Choose the normal mode and welcome to your iPhone. That's pretty much it. All those settings are up to you. You can go ahead and change them while you're on the setup screen. If you want to just go right into the home screen of your iPhone, that's how you do it. Hopefully this video was super helpful to you. Hopefully you enjoy it as much as I did doing it. So please share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I have links in the description below that will help you with a lot of technical stuff that I have to share with you. And I hope you have an excellent day. Be safe out there.